She's Ginny, I'm Shweta, and we are here to talk about very briefly how is being open to possibilities connected with inclusion. Being open to possibilities uh, makes you a more empathic person, a person who's open to diverse choices, diverse cultures, possibly diverse kinds of realities of people. And if you're open to possibilities, then you automatically also are open to not being restricted by what is being considered normal till now. So the templates, which you apply to the word normal and normalcy can change, especially in scenarios like studying together in a diverse classroom, facilitating a group with a diverse batch of students, leading a workforce or a team which has diverse people coming in from diverse backgrounds and stages of life. Guinea's Planet is building a world where being different is okay and nobody's off and out. Explore our products and our workshops, and of course the online content, to simplify and trigger conversations on empathy, diversity, disability, and inclusion.